Hello, this is an update video about ck12.org. You can customize your own FlexBooks or textbooks and specializing in mathematics and sciences. So let me just quickly show you some of the features. I will go ahead and log in. Okay, as I've signed in, the first page is the landing page. On this page, this tells of your progress. Say if you want to learn a concept, here you can click on it and practice with lots of resources concerning that concept. If you bookmarked content, it would be found here. I have no bookmarks here. And my content as far as creating the FlexBooks will be there. Okay, so let's just create a new FlexBook using the new updated website. So we want to just create a new FlexBook. Okay, so first of all, we can name our FlexBook, let's say algebra. Let's say solve an equation. Okay, so since we've named it, we're going to save that FlexBook. Okay, so we can either add content by doing a search, okay, or see there's nothing there, so let's go ahead and just look for a search to search within the FlexBook about algebra to add to it. So we have Algebra 1 functions, Algebra 2, algebraic expressions. So I'm just going to pick something that's algebra with fraction bars. Let's say we might want that. So there are lots of different modalities and all different levels. And so let's just choose basic. And videos, read. So what you're looking for a prompt to which you can add to the FlexBook. This is called a concept map here. Okay, so we might want to just go ahead and add that one to our FlexBook. Add that to our FlexBook. So which FlexBook do we want to add it to? I'm going to just add it to solving equations. Okay. So the FlexBook has been added. Okay, so we can edit. Okay, once we go back to the FlexBook, we have it added. So go back to our content, which we can find from the first page, and we say solving equations. I believe we did. And this is our content is added in. Now, if we want to edit that, we're going to open it. Or over here to edit, go ahead and click edit. It'd be better to click that first. Edit content. And while it's loading, because if it's a large content, it may take a while to load, we can see what else is connected to this. Let's click on resources. This is where if you wanted to upload your own personal document to attach to this. And the last tab is details. It tells the author, it already has my name in that I'm creating it. The grade level, I can note that. And I can just customize it to what I would like. Okay, so I'm going to go back to edit. Okay, so it's loading right now. I'm going to pause my recording a bit until it loads in. Okay, it didn't load in for me. I think they may have some problems on their site, but if it had loaded in, you were able to change the pictures, add the videos, and all the other content. But let's just look back. We looked at the exercises they have here and the resources here for this particular book, and other resources this talks about that you can get to. Let's go back to the landing page again as a recap. So we can go first is my progress. Okay, in my progress it just tells you things that the students can practice on and different concepts. You can change the subject. from geometry to any other math content here. That's more or less seeing how they're doing. So they can do that, and they can show you in a laboratory situation, or possibly email you their report. They are updating the site every day. And also we talked about the bookmarks. Okay, so if you had found something you like, you could always bookmark it here. And my content is a section where you've created and edited your own books. Going back to the first page we have is as you log in to CK12, you can look at the everything about the company, the other resources they have. Usually it's a link to other resources, the Brain Genie, the Flex Math, and other things that they have is right on the first page of the site. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know or log in, and I'm Ms. Scott, Video Educast.